the street is my world. Believe me, if I started murdering people, there'd be none of you left.
Thank you. I don't want to set the world on fire.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Some of you know probably from Instagram. A few of you know that I've been working with Lasfit for a little bit of a while now. Got another product review. Know that's from another video coming. We have the fast wireless charger from Lasfit. I haven't tried it yet. I've seen a few people with it, so I thought I'd give it a try. Lasfit reached out to me, so I'll go ahead and give it a review. But just so you know, I will be plugging the link to the charger in the description. So use my my code BLACK10, you get 10% off, and you'll be good to go. You already get a discount from going to the site, so you might as well go check it out. Man, I hate this damn do-rag. Look at this. Shit right. Okay, it comes with mount. You can put that on the air vent if you need to, or anywhere else. Screw that part in there. Attach it to the other side. You can adjust it. I guess this right here, you can put that on the windshield. So you either put it on air vent, windshield, or if you can find another place to put it, that'll probably work too. There's a little USB cable to keep it charged. And here is the actual wireless charger itself. So let's try it out, see how it goes. Alright, let's try it out. Get this shit in the way. Plugged in right here. And just powered on. Let's see, I guess I gotta. Oh no, it comes out automatically. Spread it out. You see that? It closed and it opened up automatically as soon as it powered on. Let's try your phone with the case on, see if it works. Close automatically. Does your case charge?
I have no idea. I mean, I tried it in Mom's car, which is a phone charger, and that didn't work.
So maybe it's just your case.
I tried with both the case on and off in her car, and it didn't work. So.
What kind of phone is this?
I think it's an A23.
Hold on. See if I can take the case off.
Let me.
It's a button to release this. Oh yeah. You release the phone just by touching that button. Pull the case out. Let's see what it'll do then. Cause maybe it's just your phone.
It's probably just a phone. That's why I fucking build up shit. I don't want to clean out later. No dice. Hell no.
What is up with your phone, man?
This is the second or third phone to run that did not do that.
See, this is why I don't fool with Android.
Oh wait, how do you fucking release?
It's a button on the side. It's sad, Xavier.
Man, look, it gets the job done. Don't worry about it.
Okay, this is what we're gonna do.
What's up?
You gonna record me putting my phone on this, to do a review on the iPhone, the actual real phone. And
Where you gonna get another iPhone?
no, I'm saying like you gonna record me putting my phone on. That way I can still have it for YouTube.
Oh shit.
Now we switch phones. We got your Android record. And we finna put my iPhone on with the case, see what it do. What? Yeah.
Oh,
Android trash, dude. You need to upgrade. Come to
I
the
just got this thing.
come to the bougie side.
I'm
Look at that. Charged with the case on, stickers, the outer boxes, and all that. Look at that. See, that's a see. Lasfit, this company right here, they making your phone look bad.
Well, excuse me.
But yeah, it works. And like I said, to release it, you can see that you just. I'm gonna drop my phone. It's hard to record this at the same time, but tap that button. Well, it didn't fall, but yeah, it opened up. Yeah, it definitely works. Instantly. Unlike somebody's phone.
Those are the worst content creators.
Okay, finally, we got the message to send from his Android phone
Thank you, sir.
back over to my phone and tried to send it through email. That didn't work. Tried to send it over through what is we tried to that?
Just a normal text.
And normal text. That didn't work because you can't send it because you couldn't send a certain amount of memory or something.
It wouldn't let me send it with 25 megabytes. It was like 200.
So we tried Instagram. We sent it over from Instagram. So now I got that footage. But anyway, this is hella good. It works if you have an iPhone, I'm assuming, and maybe only certain kinds of Androids, but it definitely works, and it works fast and good. So definitely give it a try. I'm gonna put in the description where to get it and use my discount code BLACK10 and you all set. You said you don't know what year the phone is?
I'm pretty sure, like, what year does Samsung A20 come out?
I just want to see what year the phone is. It don't make no sense that you got to go through all that in 2022 to where you can't even record at 60 frames per second and send anything. But I like how this is kind of out the way. You can adjust it if you need to.
Where's mine A22?
Need to tuck and hide the wire. You can push it up under there, whatever you got to do. But it's definitely out the way.
It's like literally a year old.
That phone is a year old. You lying?
June. Or somewhere close to that range.
Well, last week made Android look bad.
Looks like my framing system you replace the thing after like some minor inconvenience.
Look at that walk of shame. Pitiful, pitiful, pitiful phone. But yeah, I got way more content coming for the truck. 2 big mods coming. I'm gonna make more videos on those. I have another Lasfit video coming, by the way, too. That'll do it for this one. Just a quick short review. I'll do an update to it about what I think about it maybe in a month or two. See if it still works. See if I can find the actual Android phone that works for it, but it's not gonna matter for me or if you got an iPhone. That I do know. But yeah, that'll do it.